Hey guys, Dotson Guys here at MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to showcase a 2021 brand new 305 LXF from Scout Boats. This particular boat, redesigned bow with these huge loungers. Nice and relaxed, extremely wide, rake back for convenience, but as well as you do not lose that storage on both port and starboard, those big deep wells. Also insulated. There is a well on the floor as well for life jacket storage. The standard windlass system on the bow here with foot pedals, and as well as control back at the helm. We have this particular boat with the bow rod holder cup holders. So those are two double features there. Convenient place. We have our JL audio upgrade system in there. So you've got our JL audio speakers tucked in with our Grigio interior. So that's the upgraded material. Looking back at our lounge here, nice convenient dry storage. Now you can see this beautiful lounge, double wide armrest on both sides. Again, you conveniently placed lounge with still storage. And we'll take you back after we show you these cup holders in a little glove box area with USB charging ports down below. We'll take you through the console and now the cockpit. Alrighty guys, now we're at the helm area. We got to show you our beautiful acrylic all flush mounted screen system here. We've got the Garmin 12-inch displays. We have our Mercury vessel view display for our engine data. Our Lenco trim tabs. Push button starts for our Mercury Verado V8s. Our Fusion head remote system and the head units down in the console. See that beautiful joystick system with the Skyhook GPS anchoring. Our digital throttle and shifting throttles from Mercury. Our Edson steering wheel with the rubber back. Nice and comfortable when wet hands. Standard tiltable helm. Convenient place for your cell phone. USB charger. Conveniently placed to plug in your phone to the stereo system if you're not choosing to use that Bluetooth option. Up top, we have our redundant switching. So as you notice down below, there was no switches on the dash. So everything's run through those Garmins. Well, this gives you a convenient place to get to those core options, just like your horn, your spreader, bilge pumps. So those are immediate buttons you can get to. Looking back at this helm seat, nice stainless steel flip bolsters, armrest, very comfortably, footstep, footrest. We have our emergency flare kit and fire extinguisher mounted below. Conveniently placed. This boat does have the JL audio upgrade, so we do have our premium stereo system with our amplifier and 10-inch subwoofer. We have our port standard entry door, now offered on the 305. Nice ergonomical system. This boat is equipped with the Fender Pros from Scout. So these are quick disconnect fender plugs. You can transfer those fenders conveniently both sides. Standard pop-up cleats, rod holders throughout the back, drawers. This boat is equipped with the raw water washdown. So we have our quick disconnect plug there. This boat is also yacht certified from the designator there. We have our port fish locker with macerator pumps. Mimics that on the starboard side. Looking at the back of the console leaning post here, we have our oversized live well, as you can see in the depths down there, with a blue gel coat, cup holders, rod holders, prep sink, also pull-out shower. Again, more storage drawers or tackle drawers. We have a convenient toolkit placed there. Looking in the back, this is a new transom design for the 305. So a nice little bench seat, couch area built into the transom here. Bumped it out, but you don't lose any of that space across the back, which we'll show you in a second. Scout is big on their fit and finish of their systems access, allowing easy access to our pumps and filters and service points. So nothing's hard to get into and easily to control and maintain as you own the boat. Moving across the back, we do have our freshwater wash down there that plugs in. Underneath the aft seat, we have our standard live well that's also insulated for a fish box. You see our wash down hoses there. Our starboard walk-through transom, which takes us to this Aztec boutique that's across the transom. Nice, easy transition from port to starboard, making it convenient to board from either side. We do have this one, like we discussed, with the new Mercury 300s, with those convenient service ports. Check that engine oil. Remove that engine cowling. Nice and easy. I forgot to mention the little cutting board that's at the top of the storage drawers there. So pitch and bait, nice and easy, making a cocktail. Guys, we'll move to the console here and I'll show you the cabin. This boat does have the battery charging system. You'll see that down below. And I'll slide out of the way so you guys can get in there. So you see we've got our stainless steel sink in there with the Corian countertop. That convertible bed that also converts to a bench or a couch option. Our breaker panel, storage panel, and there's our Fusion head unit. That is a vacuum flush head system with 12-volt AC. So it's nice and convenient for getting out of the weather for a few bit or taking night trips on it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour of our brand new 2021 305 LXF from Scout Boats. My name is Dotson Geis. Carl Anderson's behind the camera for us today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach us at 843-747-1889. Thanks again.